Hi everyone, today we're making chewy chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. 100 grams of sugar, that's just normal sugar that you put in your tea. 165 grams of brown sugar, this brown sugar is perfect. 115 grams of butter, you need to melt that in the microwave, maybe get an adult to help you. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, I use this one here. 150 grams of flour, just plain, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and some chocolate chunks. I normally use a whole bag like that, and maybe you could add some extra in if you want them really chocolatey. You'll need a weighing scale, a bowl, and a whisk. Okay, so the first thing you obviously need to do is wash your hands really well. Get in between your fingers, up by your wrists, make sure your hands are really clean. Okay, then you need to weigh out your ingredients. So if you've got a scale like mine, I can see around the edge here, it's weighing in grams. So because my ingredients are measured in grams, I'm looking to weigh out my sugar, my butter. So I'm going to do the butter here for 115. So there's 100, and each little line here represents a quarter. So 125, 150, 175, 200. So because I want 115 grams of butter, I'm going to go past the 100, but not quite to the 25. So there, it's almost on 100, just past 100. Okay, so all my ingredients are weighed out and ready to go in bowls around the kitchen. The first thing I need to do is put my 2 different sugars, so my granulated sugar and my brown sugar, into this bowl, and I'm going to pour in the melted butter that I've just weighed out. Now I've got to whisk all of this up, and I'm going to use my electric whisk just because it's quicker, but a handheld one would be as good as long as you can get the lumps out, until this forms a nice paste with no lumps in it. Okay, once I've got my sugar and butter all whisked together, I'm going to add in 1 egg, making sure I don't get any shell in there, and my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to whisk that all together again until it forms a really nice smooth mixture. Okay, my mixture is whisked up. My next job is going to be to fold in the sifted flour. So I've got my plain flour in here and my baking soda, half a teaspoon. And I'm just going to pour that into the bowl. And now I need to fold it in. Now when you fold it, you've just got to kind of scoop it up and lift it over. You've got to do that quite gently because you want to get some air in there, and I'm just using my plastic spatula. This might take a while. You've got to keep doing this until all the flour has disappeared into the mixture. Starting to look like cookie dough. My next job is going to be to fold in or mix in the chocolate chunks and the chocolate chips. So I'm going to pour my chocolate chunks in and my chocolate chips. I'm just going to mix those all in until they're all in the mixture. Once I've done that, I'm going to cool it in the fridge for half an hour so that it firms up a little bit. Okay, so whilst the cookie dough has been chilling, I've been busy greasing my baking trays with butter so that the cookies don't stick. And I preheated the oven 180 degrees. Now I'm going to take just little handfuls of the cookie dough. So you've got a ball, don't have to roll it too tight, just make it into a flat round circle. Put them on your baking tray so they're not too close together because they do spread out quite a lot. So I'm going to put my cookies, I'll probably only put 6 on this big baking tray because they do spread out quite a lot. After 15 minutes, take your cookies out with oven gloves. Maybe ask an adult to help you because the tray will be very hot. Leave them to cool completely before eating them. They should be chewy in the middle and crispy around the edge. Enjoy!